everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for Amazon Prime using your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, make sure that you've downloaded the Amazon Prime Video application from your App Store or your Play Store, and once you download the app, give it a tap to open. The first interface of Amazon Prime Video will look like this. You'll be able to sign in. If you have an existing account, go ahead and type in your email or your phone number in the first text box, followed by your Amazon password, and tap on the sign in button in order to log into an existing account. If you're new to Amazon and you'd like to sign up for a new account, tap on Create a New Amazon Account button at the top. Go to the first text box where it says first and last name and type in your first name along with your last name. Now enter a valid email address that you'd like to sign up with for Amazon Prime Video on the next field. Once you type in your email address, create a password for yourself on the next field. Make sure that your password is at least 6 characters long, and once you type it in, tap on Create your Amazon Account button at the bottom. Now, on the next page, you'll need to enter the OTP sent to your email address in the Enter OTP text box. Once you enter the OTP into the text box, tap on the Verify button right beneath. Now, add a mobile number by selecting the country code and entering your mobile number into the text box, and tap on Add Mobile Number. You need to verify your mobile number as well. Simply enter the one-time password that will be sent on your mobile number via SMS and enter it into the text box. Once you enter your code, tap on Create Your Amazon Account and follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to create a new account for your Amazon Prime. That is how you can easily sign up for Amazon Prime. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.